Hello, I'm Jonathan Hodgetts. I'm the founder and owner of Wessex Tubas, and great to see you here again. Today we're presenting the Anton TC491 Tuba. I've long had a liking for rotary valve tubas, and one of the things when I founded Wessex Tubas, I wanted to develop a rotary valve C tuba, and this was made in the fairly early years of the company. It's based on our TB575 Lucerne B-flat tuba, so basically it's a C version of that tuba. It's got a pretty big sound. I've used it in concert. I've played Prokofiev's Fifth Symphony on this and got very good feedback from the conductor, so it can make a good sound. It's a very reliable C tuba. It's in our regular standard range, so it's a very affordable instrument to buy as well. If you're a student and looking to move on to C tuba, this is a pretty inexpensive 5/4 C tuba to get with a big sound. It's another one that I developed myself. It's my design. I worked on with the previous production manager at the factory, Mr. Pan, and we put together this design. I'm quite pleased with it. It's worked out well, and I'm quite happy to play it in concert anytime. It's a good introductory tuba, but it's still of a good instrument to be played in any setting.
Hello everyone, it's me, Will, again. I'm the principal professional artist for Wessex Tubas. So, what I like about the Anton C tuba is, it's quite a compact tuba, which in some parts of Europe, for example the Netherlands, they really like these compact type of instruments. It's very ergonomic. You've got the important slides right here, the first and the fifth, and behind it the third and the fourth. So when you're playing, everything is here pretty much. You can make a big sound, but not too big of a sound all of the time. Again, it doesn't have a brain. It will sound as big as you want it to sound, but it is capable of that. It's a fantastic affordable option if you're looking for your first C tuba and you prefer the sound and the feel of rotary valves rather than pistons. This is a fantastic option.
Well, rotary valves are good in that you've got a lot less movement of the valves than you have with pistons, and they don't require so much maintenance. As long as you play them on a regular basis, they are really generally very reliable, and they don't need a regular oil-in like piston valves do. A bit bigger tuba than our Mahler, so I would say for a more compact C tuba, go for the Mahler, but this is like the next size up in if you want a little bit bigger sound. It's a bigger valve throat here. It's a larger sounding tuba.
If you're interested in watching our review of the Mahler tuba, where I also play a little bit for you and Jonathan speaks about it, then it will be somewhere here, so click in the box.
It's called the Anton, and if you wonder where the name comes from, it's the river that runs through Wessex, through my hometown and headquarters of Wessex, the River Anton. That's where it got its name from. Well, will you go down to the warehouse and give a demonstration of this tuba?
I certainly can, Jonathan. Hello again, it's me. I'm back in the Wessex Warehouse of Dreams, here with the Wessex Anton C tuba. As I've said before in other videos, this might not be the most beautiful space, but it's the best acoustic we have in the building. Well, I certainly enjoyed playing it for all of you, and yeah, what did you think? Would you like to play a tuba like this?
How do you find the sound compares to the Mahler? Listen to our other video of the Mahler for comparison.
And we actually have a full comparison video where I'm playing the Anton versus the Marla versus the Chicago York versus the Wyvern. So if you're interested in the differences, also click somewhere in my general vicinity.
Do let us know where you're watching from, and do sign up to watch our next video. Thanks for listening. Bye.